Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. Today we are going to see what is text formatting in HTML. Don't worry, we are keeping it simple and fun. Let's get started. First, let's understand what is text formatting. If I want to make a word or some sentence bold or italic, then I can do this using text formatting. In HTML, we have some tags to do this. Let's see them one by one in Visual Studio Code. First, you have to do a setting here. Click on File option and turn on auto saving, so we don't need to save our page again and again. Now, I am going to create a new file called textformatting.html. Here, get a basic HTML syntax by typing doc. So first, we need some text to see text formatting. Let's create a paragraph here and add some random value using lorem 50. Now first, let's see strong tag. So I am writing strong tag here and inside strong tag, adding some text. Now right click here and open this page in live server. You can see here our text is looking bold. It's because of strong tag. So strong tag make text bolder. Now next tag is for italic text. Let's add this tag inside our paragraph. Let's move back to browser. Here you can see the text is looking italic now. The next tag is small tag. Let's write this tag. And I add some text here. Okay, now in browser you can see the text is looking smaller here because of small tag. Let's see delete tag. If I want to show some text like cancelled or deleted, then I can use this tag. Let's quickly write this tag. And see here this part is looking like this. Next is insert tag. This tag is used to underline text. Let's add this tag. And you can see here text is underlined. Our final tags are subscript and superscript. Look at this picture. If I want to add some text like this, then we can create this using superscript and subscript tag. First, let's see subscript tag. I am writing here the formula of water. And I will wrap these two inside subscript tag. Now let's see this in browser. Here you can see that the 2 is looking like this. Let's quickly write the last tag superscript. And now I am wrapping these two inside superscript. Let's back to browser. Here you can see subscript and superscript tags. We can also write this tag out of paragraph. We don't need to wrap this tag inside paragraph. Let's see them out of paragraph. I hope you understood this video. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. And this video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.